Thirsty. Alright, bet. That motherfucker shiny though, ain't it? Then in the door, ain't it? Look. Turn that. Mm. 1920 by 1080 full HD IPS. In-plane switching. Flickerless. Blue light filter. Eco display. 0 frame. This is the Acer. Stupid. Acer Series 24-inch full HD LED mercury free. Ooh. Spin, boy. Spin. Oh, no. Long as the monitor ain't fall out. Welcome to Acer. Congratulations on choosing Acer
LCD monitor. We sure you'll be pleased with its quality and performance. Recommendations for the best possible image quality and performance. Please follow these steps. Make sure you install the latest graphics and driver card.
Charger. Come with half a charger. Got the other whoa, trippy. Got the other half right here. Full charger. Big long charger now. Got the stand. Computer cord. See that is wow. Part of stand. Instructions. Do we need them? Yes, sir. My bad. Triple prong ear. Computer strap. Peep book. Stand. Part of it. Bottom part. Looking pretty fine. I'll just put everything together real quick. Give it no life yet. Right here. Did it come with the HDMI? No, shit, man, it was the other thing. Yeah, this I can't do. That was too ugly, bro. Much better. These I can deal with. Okay, so what are my controls? Building a PC, in case y'all didn't know. That's fire. Oh, that's fire. No. Ooh, shit. Nah, this is fire. Nah, just frame rate. See what's up with it. See how faster it is, you know. This new iPad. So I'm gonna start editing. So I got this phone. I'm about to make this so I do different videos in a minute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So now I can start editing videos. That's an unboxing video already recorded, so. Let me see how to do this shit. Peace, we're gonna try to upload it.